break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race for China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smother bricks to
Good morning, group chat. Today is Friday, January the 16th. It is like 7 o'clock. I gotta leave the house in like the next 10 minutes, but it is 21 degrees outside. 21 freaking degrees. I can't believe it. I would rather be home, but this is the fragrance of the day. I want to take y'all to work with me on this Friday. This is gonna be like a little, I guess, day in the life of a registered dental hygienist. So y'all can see what I do. For all the new people here, we got new subscribers and whatnot. So I'm trying to be as detailed as possible as far as like from beginning to end, from these setting up to breaking down. So it does get a little repetitive. I also am going to be a patient today. I don't know if I've been telling y'all, but I'm getting my silver fillings, the amalgam that I used to do back in the day, that I got done in the military out of my mouth, so I can have a nice continuous white smile when I open, because I have a big mouth. Like my mouth is like so. So that's pretty much what's going on today. I'm dressed. I just made coffee. I had to put my shoes on. Ashton has been acting a fool all morning. I can't deal with it, so I just let him just go do your thing, bud. Just go do you. So that's pretty much what's been going on. New Year's Eve, I kind of cleaned up everything, decluttered, and got some clothes out of my closet. Put them in trash bags, so now I need to take them to I need to donate them. That's what I'm trying to say. Get it out, Dennis. I need to donate those trash bags of clothes to the drop bin, Goodwill, wherever it is. So we have them right by work, so I'm going to take those with me as well. So I need to get going. I will see you guys once I get there. I just want to go ahead and introduce the video so you guys know what's going on and whatnot. So come to work with me. Let's make some money. And, this is what we're running today. I never wear a scrub top. It's always fitted, dry fit, long sleeve, short sleeve tees. I feel like it's more comfortable. I don't really care for, I think it's inside out, y'all. Oh my God, it's inside out. Did I put on deodorant? I did not. Oh, fuck me. I was rushing. But easy fix. I'm so glad I didn't put that deodorant on yet, because that would have blew me. I was gonna work out this morning, but I need to let my body start resting. I worked out 4 days this week, so I should be fine. I don't want to overdo it. There we go. Now we put our deodorant on. I'm not doing anything this weekend, y'all. I can't wait to come home and just enjoy my rent, you know? That's all I want to do. Oh. That was disgusting. All right, y'all. So these are the 3 bags right here. They are literally full. Except for them, that's like a half full. But these are the full bags of clothes. I just didn't want to throw them away. I was like, maybe it could help somebody. It's pretty nice stuff in here too. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I feel like I've done. This is the first time I've ever donated clothes. I think I normally just throw them away, and I was like, you know what? Let's not waste clothes. There's people out there that are in need, Dennis. So let's just give it away. So we're gonna grab these and head to the car and get my butt down the road so I can somewhat be on time. Why is my patient here already? Like, go home. It's like 8 o'clock. I'm in my yak. I want to dance. I'm in my yak. I want it. What is it? I probably got much. I got SRP on there. Yeah. He said what? I would say we'll go over there then. Yeah. Oh. I just need to make my minimum today. I don't care. Like, I ain't trying to do too much. The only way you have to maximize what's on your schedule. Like laser irrigation or resting, you gonna have to milk it.
To get my angles right, thank you. Yeah, me too. Even if I'd be like, it's reversed.
This should be pissing me off. What can I change that?
Like probably in a setting somewhere. Oh, you got your extra body pack on there?
You sleepy?
No, my right eye is like going with it.
Oh God. God.
Since after work, I don't know.
Y'all are so funny.
Okay. They see the setup?
Leave that open.
No.
I be claustrophobic in here.
Okay,
I'm
well,
gonna go there
open
again.
that one then. Yes, okay, wait. Patient confidentiality. Y'all crossing
She
the line.
loud one.
Yeah, exactly.
You hear everything she say?
Okay.
Yes. You laughing and stuff?
She gotta get it out there. She building her morale. Building the rapport.
We're done with our first patient. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm about to do my notes. So I try to do my notes in between each patient so at the end of the day I don't be here all day and I can just go home, you know? The first patient was a perio maintenance, which is cleaning more frequently than the average person. They come every 3 months instead of every 6 months. This person has bone loss, yada yada yada, things of that nature. So we're just gonna do her notes. She's already scheduled for her next one. Doc is doing her C6 6 months exam right now. So there's that. And my next patient is checking in and it's 8:53. So I still gotta do my notes, go to my room, clean it, put all new stuff in there and do it all over again. So we're gonna do that right now. Alright, so the notes are done and we can close out her chart. We did add something to her treatment today, so I just got to make sure I tell the front, communicate that. So we collect our coins because we don't do free work around here. But she was so nice and so sweet. Alright, so I can hear Doc walking up the patient to the front. Now I'm just going to run back there and clean the room. Alright, let's go. All right, so My next patient is sad. I took their blood pressure. Blood pressure is extremely high. It was like 150 something over 113, which is a big no-no. I asked the patient, did they take their blood pressure medicine? They said no, which is common. People don't take their medicine. So I'm going to give them 5 minutes, and then we're going to go back in there and retake it again. Hopefully we can get that bottom number down to at least 100 and under. Me personally, I like mine to be under 100, but Doc was like, she could do 110. I don't know. So we're just going to wait it out and see. And then, see, stuff like this kind of push you behind, so you kind of just got to roll with the punches, because you can be on time, but stuff like this can happen, and you can throw your whole schedule off. So we will see what happens in the next 5 minutes. It's 9:13. It's about 9:18, 9:20. We'll see.
Could you imagine? That's like almost everything.
We don't need him to. We've got the whole story right here.
We're fine.
So I am actually getting the rest of my work done. You guys know I've been talking about feelings, and I'm trying to take those out. So that's what we're doing today. Doing the last one, thank God, because I'm trying to be an adult and do everything the right way. So here we are. I live feel big, but it's not. I'm watching some TV, waiting on Dog. But I know I didn't finish talking about work, but we'll finish talking about that later. Y'all, I am so numb, but I got all my work done. I got a lot of, look how I'm talking. Oh my God. Ah, mouth look. But we are here at, this across the street from my job, so we're gonna put the clothes, if y'all can see it, put that in that. So let's do that real quick. With every breath I'm sinking, and no way to describe it.